Hey guys, so Realme recently launched the Realme Watch 3 in India and now it's time for the Pro variant to make its debut in the country as the company has started teasing the Watch 3 Pro. The Watch 3 Pro will come as a successor to the Watch 2 Pro that made its debut last year. The company claims it to be the flagship device. The major highlighting feature of the Watch 3 Pro is its AMOLED display. It's a massive upgrade over its predecessor that came with an LCD panel. The Watch 3 Pro is also teased to come with a large display. The teaser image shows that the device will come in square-shaped dial with a metal body and a physical button on the right side. There is also a small cutout that we assume to be a microphone. The Watch 3 Pro will come with Bluetooth calling capability and will also have GPS support. According to the company, the Watch 3 Pro will be a flagship offering and it will be priced higher in India. Currently, that's all we know about the Watch 3 Pro and we expect to have more information on its specs in the coming days. As for the launch, the device will launch soon in India. We expect it to make its debut alongside Realme 9i 5G on August 18. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.